Hello everyone, welcome to HK Smart Edu. From 2-3 days, I was getting continuous messages of students that we want different courses like writing and publishing an article, fashion designing, career development, English grammar course, success strategy. So I came up with this video. Now let's start the video. Our first course is creative writing. Second course, strategy of content marketing. Third course, business writing. Now, these three courses are useful for persons who are interested in blogging or writing an article or writing a book or to improve your writing skills. Now, we will see for persons who are specially interested in writing and publishing an article what's there for them. Writing an article, how to write and publish articles that get noticed. This might be useful for you. You will get this link in our description box. Now, anyone who wants to learn grammar can learn from here. It's free. Course name is Grammar and Punctuation. Let's see for career development. Career planning, your career, your life. Here is the course for you. And one more course, career planning, a pathway to employment. You can also see this course. Let's move on to fashion designing and fashion modeling. See this course, fashion as design and model thinking and modeling risk and realities, digital business models. This course might be useful for businessmen and students who are planning to do business. Search advertising. Here you can understand why search can be powerful part of any marketing campaign, build a search campaign and many other things. So if you want, you can enroll in this course. Now everybody wants to be successful, so here is the course for you. And last but not the least, this is course for people who are doing job or want to do a job in future. Course name is Job Success, Get Hired or Promoted in 3 steps. Now we will see how to enroll in this courses. Just click on join for free. Write your full name, email address and password and click on join for free. If you already have an account, click on login. Now just click on enroll for free. Now click on full course, no certificate and click on continue. Welcome to the course. You can now access the course material and start learning. Click on start learning and now you can access your course and study. In today's video, we saw many different courses. If you want any course, you can just comment us on YouTube. We will make the video as soon as possible. Now, you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.
So subscribe to our channel to get the latest notifications about free courses and share the video with your friends and relatives to get them also utilize this opportunity. Like the video and comment in the comment box below which courses do you want, and don't forget to subscribe.